In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT for SEO, article description and title generator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly titles, craft optimized meta descriptions, strengthen your content strategy, and save serious time in your writing workflow. Let's start with titles. Begin by telling ChatGPT your topic and the primary keyword you want to target, then ask for engaging, keyword-optimized headline ideas. Request multiple variations so you can compare tone, length, and clarity. Ask it to reflect different search intents, informational, transactional, or how-to, so the titles match what your audience is actually looking for. If you're creating headlines for a blog, a product page, or an email subject line, specify the platform and audience to get tighter, more relevant options. You can also mention your niche to get industry-specific phrasing that resonates. As you review suggestions, look for clear value, strong verbs, and a natural use of your keyword. If a title feels vague or clickbaity, ask ChatGPT to refine it for accuracy and trust. Next, move to meta descriptions. Provide the article topic, the core keyword, and the promise of the content, and ask ChatGPT for concise, compelling summaries. Emphasize natural keyword placement rather than stuffing. If you need variations tailored for different platforms, like search results, social shares, or a newsletter preview, ask for versions optimized for each context. Keep the language clear, benefit-driven, and aligned with the title. If a description feels generic, direct ChatGPT to highlight the strongest takeaway or unique angle from your piece. Now, strengthen your content strategy. Ask ChatGPT for topic ideas rooted in trending or related keywords. Then request an outline that organizes sections and headings logically. Have it suggest SEO-focused phrases and semantically related terms you can weave into subheadings and body copy. If you're planning a series, ask for a content calendar with themes that build on each other. Use these outputs to spot gaps, ensure coverage depth, and keep your articles aligned with search intent. Finally, use ChatGPT to save time. Offload repetitive tasks like brainstorming headlines, drafting meta descriptions, and proposing outlines. Maintain consistency by sharing your brand voice, preferred structure, and formatting rules upfront so future prompts stay on track. Treat ChatGPT as a first draft accelerator. Generate, then refine with your expertise. With these steps, you'll streamline ideation, improve CTR, and publish faster without sacrificing